Standing in the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away. I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror? Counting the days until you're gone, waiting for us to carry on. Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to give you everything, you took it all and took it for granted. If you're still falling out of love, maybe it's 'cause it's not enough.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Eve's Stories. Thank you for joining us today. So today I'm showcasing a 2-bedroom.
Standing in the cold, cold rain.
This is the outside of the apartment I'll be showcasing today. You see how beautiful it is? The colors are nice, and the fact that it's newly built. Just look at how amazing it looks like.
Standing in the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away. I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror? Counting the days until you're gone, waiting for us to carry on. Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where?
So the first thing we'll be looking at this newly built amazing apartment is the living room.
Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror?
And of course, the first interesting thing you see is this beautiful light.
I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but
I love how it looks like.
counting the days until
It's so unique. I don't think I've seen it before. It's the first time I'm seeing it.
setting fire to my brain, wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who doesn't dream, so why are you always sleeping?
It has been placed on both sides of the room, so at the entrance, and there is this one here, and it's very interesting to look at. It's making this living room look so lively.
Standing in the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away. I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror? Counting the days until you're gone, waiting for us to carry on. Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to give you everything, you took it all and took it for granted. If you're still falling out of love, maybe it's 'cause it's not enough.
So that's all about the sitting room. The lighting is good. The space is not so squeezed. It's a very good space. And next, let's go to another room so that you can just have a look at it.
Standing in the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away. I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear.
So the sink is outside the washroom, and this is the common washroom. It's a master ensuite, so the master bedroom has its own washroom.
Cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away. I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror?
I hope you have noticed this. It's a soap holder and a tissue holder at the same time.
Step away, I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror?
So you can also control the lights in the sitting room using these switches here.
For us to carry on, oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to give you everything, you took it all.
The tiles in here are black and the space is alright. The space is enough.
Setting fire to my brain, wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who doesn't dream, so why are you always sleeping? I remember when you said you're afraid of what's ahead. What happened to ride or die? I asked and you just start crying. How are you acting so surprised? Haven't you seen it in my eyes? Oh, I'm running, what am I running from?
So before you go to the master bedroom, let's start with this second bedroom. The wardrobes are the same, but this bedroom is a little bit tinier than the other one. But if you compare the lighting, this one has more lighting than the master bedroom. As you can see, I haven't switched on the lights.
Standing in the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away, I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror? Counting the days until you're gone, waiting for us to carry on. Oh, wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror? Counting the days until you're gone, waiting for us to carry on. Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to give you everything, you took it all.
Next, let's go to this master bedroom. So if you compare the lighting, the second bedroom has much lighting than this one, and the window opening of the other bedroom is also different from this one.
Setting fire to my brain, wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who doesn't dream, so why are you always sleeping? I remember when you said you're afraid of what's ahead. What happened to right?
Well, I have to test if the water is there and if the tap is working.
When you said you're afraid of what's ahead. What happened to ride or die? I asked and you just start crying. How are you acting so surprised? Haven't you seen it in my eyes? Oh, I'm running, what?
Everything about this washroom was well thought. I love how it looks like. I love everything inside it.
Standing in the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away, I know we could both do better.
Just look at the window. Everything has been well designed.
Standing in the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away, I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror?
The shower head is not there, but it's going to be fixed. You're not fixing your own.
Standing in the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away, I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror? Standing in the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away. I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in...
This is how the master bedroom looks like, and as you can see, the wardrobes in this master bedroom and the wardrobes in the second bedroom are similar. Storage space is similar, design is similar, and also the color. The color should naturally be the same anyway.
Standing in the cold, cold rain. I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away. I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror?
So this is the view of the outside from your master bedroom. You can see how the building looks so great.
Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror? Counting the days until you're gone, waiting for us to carry on.
So this one is a little bit different than the usual one.
What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror? Counting the days until you're gone, waiting for us to carry on. Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time go? Cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away.
So the lighting looks yellow from inside here, but it's not yellow.
I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away. I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror?
So we are done with the master bedroom. Let's now go to the kitchen, and the first thing you notice is this door. It's short, it's not a long door, it's half a door. I don't know which term to use. Anyway, so this is the kitchen.
Standing in the cold, cold rain. I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away. I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror? Counting the days until you're gone, waiting for us to carry on. Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time.
And yes, the kitchen has enough kitchen counters. So next, let's look at this balcony over here.
To my brain, wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who doesn't dream, so why are you always sleeping? I remember when you said you're afraid of what's ahead. What happened to ride or die? I asked and you just start crying. How are you acting so
Yes, I want you to notice this light over here. And you also have a tap here at the balcony, so you can just do your laundry here.
Standing in the cold, cold rain. I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away. I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror? Counting the days until you're gone, waiting for us to carry on. Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to give you everything. You took it all and took it for granted. If you're still falling out of love, maybe it's 'cause it's not enough. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror? Counting the days until you're gone, waiting for us to carry on. Oh, I'm running.
And yes, the storage is enough, very sufficient.
I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection? If you counting the days until you're gone, waiting for us to carry on. Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to give you everything, could've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear.
So most of these openings do not have petitions, and this one has petitions, so you can just know what you're going to arrange here, or you can leave it like that. But if it were me, I'll put some decorations on this opening here, on these petitions over here.
Point in our reflection, if you never look in the mirror. Counting the days until you're gone, waiting for us to carry.
So you can clearly see the design of this door that leads you to the kitchen, and also the opening.
Standing in the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away, I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here, now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection, if you never look in the mirror? Counting the days until you're gone, waiting for us to carry on. Oh, I'm running, what am I running?
And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and hit the subscription button. Bye bye, see you in the next video.
Standing in the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away, I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here, now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection, if you never look in the mirror? Counting the days until you're gone, waiting for us to carry on. Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to give you everything, you took it all and took it for granted.